Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I know this is not going to be a popular video because the only video I ever get dislikes on are XRP. And I know my best friend Cut Corners over there in Canada is probably watching this video and is going to give me a thumbs down. But it's okay. I know it's out of love. I want you guys to, if you give a shit about XRP and Ripple and whatnot, go back and watch the last video and just see what we were looking to get. We didn't know news or anything, right? We were just like doodling on a chart. Go back, watch the video, look at where the price is at right now, and I'm going to basically show you guys what I think is going to happen, and that's why I made this video specifically for my buddy Cut Corners, because I know he has a habit of falling in love with an asset, and then when it does this, everyone's just holding, and then it goes to whatever, and this is just wrecking people. So I know the fundamentals of XRP. Everyone knows the government's trying to use it as like the new currency system, and the world is going to adopt it as like the currency. And let's ignore all that. I'm only talking about the chart, guys. I have nothing to do with what's happening outside of a chart. I don't care about fundamentals. That's your job as a investor long term. I am a trader. I want to get in, I want to get out, and I want to take my money and spend it on my wife. So this is what I want to show you guys. So I'm going to turn off the drawings. Ignore this. This is what we had in the last video, going like, hey, $1.18 to $1.42 is where we should be looking to take profit. If you break this level, okay, above $1.42, we had a resistance level at $1.85, which was the last high. If you break this level, we had another resistance level over here at 333, which is where all the guys over here in 2018, they were trapped. They just got out. Okay? They just were given the opportunity. Whoever had whatever invested in this since 2018 was able to get out, break even. That is a gift. If you've ever gotten one, that was your gift. If you didn't panic sell here, if you didn't panic sell on the bottom, if you didn't panic sell throughout all these years, and you just sold right now, you got out break even. If you bought any time during the consolidation and you held until one of the major levels of take profit, congratulations. I would have been out. I did scalp this like 50 cents to 80, and then around here I like just stopped because there was other stuff going on. But if you can see, this is what we've been looking at, this consolidational pattern going like, hey, it's going to do this kind of stuff, and then we're looking to see if it's going to break down here. If not, we measure the consolidation of this and do a measured move, and look, you're basically hitting the measured move. Okay, now I'm going to show you the fib that I drew that I deleted. Oops, there it is. And now you can see if, okay, so this green move is done, right? What we want to know is, hey, if we come back and we miss this train, where can we buy on support? Well, here is a beautiful bull flag right here, right? You can buy anywhere in here, and it would have been a good opportunity for upside. If this comes back down into here, don't panic sell. If you believe in it, buy more. This is what I'm trying to get at. As a trader, I don't know if there's long-term whatever over here. But since we've making now a new higher high on an impulse, taking all the liquidity above 185, and now we went to try to break down and we held 185, and now we are above the previous short squeeze, whatever you want, whatever this was, if it was fake or not, this is proof that it wasn't fake. The buyers are holding, and new buyers are entering, and this is marking up, right? Now, if you believe in price, supply, demand, etc., I don't care what the demand is. Go look at the supply on this asset. Go do your fundamental research on all of that. Is it decentralized? Blah, 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 blah. All of that. Go do all that and then decide if the risk is worth the reward. And if you take the risk, how much reward you should be expecting, etc., etc. And then, yeah, I just made a video earlier today on the 2 stocks, and I explained this risk to reward in there. So feel free to look at that video. So back to this. Now I'm looking at this triangle. If I get an opportunity to buy, fantastic, I will buy. If not, I can use this triangle as a guide for continuation. So if we get a move over here and you don't get back in the triangle, but oh, if we do something like this, this is a juicy, juicy, juicy long scalp opportunity that I would entertain, because as this is going down, people are selling and scared. But I know that if people believe in Ripple and XRP, there will be buyers coming and buying here around $2 and defending the price from falling down lower, because this trend line is also something we said that, hey, if you break this 142, you will follow this trend line and go up into those higher levels. So now this trend line, let's make it thick, that now is your risk to downside. Meaning if this thing comes down and trickles in lower than 176, lower than 185, that's your warning that, hey, now look at the trend line. Are you under the trend line and consolidating? That's a warning for, hey, now all this extra shit that happened here, this move that we were looking for here is officially activated if you price comes over here and does this nonsense and then starts doing these lower highs and all that. Then you have this warning that, hey, the people who bought at 80 whatever took profit at that higher level, and then they reaccumulated lower, knowing that they can have a nice secondary opportunity after shaking out over leverage, overzealous, overexcited, premature longs, whatever you want to call it. It's already done it so many times. Why would it not do something like this again? You know, that's just common sense and logic I'm giving you. I'm just trying to not be moon or doom. So those dislikes that I had in the past, I hope you give me some credit as to go rewatch a few videos and you see why I'm saying what I'm saying and how often am I right and how often am I wrong. I hope you have like a little scoreboard and chart and you can tabulate and show me how many times I was wrong and how many times I was right, okay? In the long term. Don't give me no short term, oh, look, today we went up. No. Don't give me that nonsense. This is a weekly chart, my friend, okay? This move that happened was some Trump nonsense on the hope that Trump is gonna, Garlinghouse was already in the White House on his knees with Trump, doing whatever he's doing. So maybe he pumped Trump and Trump pumped XRP with the people who are all about Trump and America and blah, 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 blah. It don't matter to me. I'm not married to the asset. I'm saying I love XRP. I'm a fan of it. This is what I want to see because now I can scalp it knowing I can get in and out because I know someone will buy my bags if I buy low. And I mean, I know people already bought the bags, but if it comes back down, I can see what the institution is doing and I have levels set. So, hey, 230, 225-ish, I can look for a nibble. If it goes to 175, 180 on a wick, shit, yeah, I'll buy a good chunk. Maybe like, $1,000 worth. Especially if it comes to 176 on a weekly, I will buy like $1,000, Then if it goes down to 113, I can add 5-10K. I don't care because I only added $1,000 and I know that I'm protected 82 cents. Like for sure. You got to be that if, first of all, if you're at $3 and you go under 185, what do you think is going on after you lose this support level? Is it bullish or bearish to you? If you started doing any kind of dance over here, I'm saying I'll buy, I'll nibble, and my 1,000 bucks will be on like 100x leverage or something because I know my risk. I know how much I'll let it run. I know my stop loss. There's so much precision with my stuff nowadays that I wouldn't even trade it a Ripple. I would trade Ethereum because I know Ethereum has such more market cap. I know there's so much more people that will buy the dip on Ethereum and Bitcoin over Ripple. If Ripple is going up, that means they're not putting money. Like, Ripple to me is total market cap 3. Like, it is basically an altcoin market. It is the bronze of metals. Like, Bitcoin is gold, Ethereum is silver, Ripple would be bronze. If we're looking at indexes, Bitcoin would be S&P, Ethereum would be Nasdaq, and XRP would be Russell. Like, I'm trying to give you an example. Like, this is a high risk asset. This is something that you put in your money at the end after your portfolio has everything safe and secure situated. You put your allocation, your smallest allocation on something like this for a very long-term situation. Because if you go and look at this history, you are now starting your breakout, right? So if we fail at 332, you know why we failed here and why we started this downtrend back to $2 or whatnot, probably 185. You'll understand that later and not be mad at me if we do that, right? If we get above 335 on Monday and you're above 350 and you close above 350 at the end of the day Monday, you can have more confidence that, dude, 350, you're gonna double very, very fast, like in this kind of a weekly candle. There'll be one tweet or one news article. Maybe Trump's like, US is going to use XRP as the reserve for the dollar, and we are going to abolish dollar and metal change, and we're going to do digital money in America. No more paper and coin currency. So that's like $100 million plus a year the government don't have to spend to like, move those pennies, quarters, nickel. All that shit gets stopped. We stop producing it. We save all the money, and we all go digital. It's so much easier to manage everything because they can track even their own tax people. Like, you don't have to. How are you gonna lie in taxes if they know what your income is and all that, right? Like, so the point of the matter is, yes, Ripple to the moon. Okay, if that the $1 above 1 penny, nah, I don't want to say 1 penny, dude. I don't want to give you like that kind of stuff. Okay. I'll give you like something crazy, okay? If we go above 362, 1 penny above 362, and you open and close the candle above 362, I highly, 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 once again, highly, highly have strong conviction that you will go to 529 in a very, very fast parabolic short squeeze fashion. And then if people start shorting this without being patient, you will pop off to 652. And then if people decide to sell, we can see a retrace to 529. But you can kiss this level goodbye. 330 is officially now going to be your XRP cup, okay? And that now is your inverse head, whatever you're going to do. Here is your one shoulder. Here is your head. Even if we come back down here, right, it will be a lower retrace for parabolic move. And now why I say this number, right? Look, I'm giving you conservative stuff because you guys want to hate on me for me giving you like reality. I'm not even hating on XRP, dude. I'm just giving you the truth. I'm not gonna lie. How did I just do one stupid ass line and come to the mathematical level of 652 that I just told you after just doing a stupid little doodle? This is your cup and handle that probably everyone's waiting for. And if that's going to happen, you should be looking for a bull flag consolidation, right? So you should be looking for something like this. It's not bearish that it goes and does something like this. It's bullish. You just are not understanding what the heck, how trading works. All of the doodles fit in that stupid channel, right? So now what I'm going to do, if you actually watch these videos and you pay attention and you understand TA, I'm going to save this for the Discord. Okay, I'm deleting this. I'm deleting this. I'm deleting all of these stupid doodles because now you understand why I have a descending channel. I'll leave the retail trend line break because that's going to be when I even want to buy, is when everyone else is crying that, oh, it dropped. Like, of course it's going to drop. Look at the freaking parabolic rise. You don't think, even if you're a believer or a billionaire, trillionaire, whatever, you don't think people are taking profit? Like, you don't think you have common sense to take some profit? And if they take some profit, obviously it's going to go down because majority of the wallet holders down here are the top like wallet holders. They're the only ones with the supply unless Ripple actually releases more stuff. So anyway, let me delete all these stupid doodles. You don't need a bull flag. You don't need this bullshit. I'll leave this just for the next video. After you guys watch this video and you guys shit on me, we can do another video and follow up with the same. We'll follow up the same doodles. Is this not extendable? You stupid. Extendable. Something like this. Who cares? Tory trend line. Shout out to Tori Trendline. She is a female trader on YouTube, and she has actually very simple TA, but it actually I am very cool with it. All right, what I was gonna say. Okay, so basically that's all I have for you guys on the Ripple. Feel free to hate on me, be mad at me. I'm gonna leave all those other ones because I like to see. So this kind of taught me when I was watching Ripple's consolidation. It kind of taught me like, yo, where's the golden pocket? What's safe? Where can I manage my risk? Like how much percent? Like a lot of good TA that I learned came out of actually watching Ripple with cut corners. So if it wasn't for him and pointing Ripple out, and he is a diehard Ripple investor, and he probably is top 10 wallet. And I know Lemons, another good friend of mine. We just lost touch, but he's definitely top 10 wallet holder, and he personally met Garlinghouse, and I know that he's happy, and he's been calling this out for a while, that Ripple will go to the moon and this and that, and ISO 2022 or whatever, like there's like a protocol. I love all that, guys. I love it. I just don't have the patience to sit through stuff like this and then wait for this. That's something I wish my IRA can do. But if I'm day trading, I just want my money in my pocket. But like, I gave you guys a fair, honest assessment, no biases. This is the bull flag you want to, attempt to accumulate in if it does this kind of stuff. I deleted all the doodles, but I mean, it is what it is. You do what you want to do. It's your money, your risk. When I see the dislikes, I would like you guys to leave me a comment as to explain to me what you dislike. Do you dislike my technical analysis, that I'm giving you technical analysis? Or do you dislike the fact that, you just want it to go up and never consolidate? Like, well, I don't understand. So if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below, guys. If you like these kind of content, I really appreciate you leaving a like, subscribe, press the thumbs button for notifications in the future. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I respond to every comment personally. If you want to talk to me directly, feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that we use that helps this channel grow. So thank you guys so much. And yeah, aside from that, have a great day, be safe, and I really hope Ripple goes to $1 million. So please don't take this negatively. Thank you.